Is your iPhone flashlight not working after the recent update? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do that without any trouble. Follow this method to fix your problem completely. So let's get started. Step 1. Force restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo. Once again. Now, check if it's working or not. Step 2. Check for software updates. First, open your phone setting. Then tap on General. Now go to the software update. If an update is available, install it. Apple often fixes these bugs in new updates. Step 3. Turn off content and privacy restrictions. Again, open your settings. Scroll down to Screen Time. Scroll down and tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then toggle it off. Sometimes restrictions interfere with the flash. Step 4. Refresh the flash in Control Center. Swipe down from the top to open Control Center. Tap and hold the flashlight icon. Then slide it up and down a few times to see if it comes back. Step 5. Reset all settings. If nothing else works, open your settings, tap General, scroll down, tap Reset on Reset all settings. Enter your passcode if prompted. Confirm by tapping Reset all settings again. And that's it. Now swipe down and test the flash again. It should be working fine. If this video helps you out, then please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.